Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we're hitting the open road with the BMW Z4 M40i Roadster, a convertible that's not just a car, it's a driving experience. If you're ready to feel the wind in your hair and the roar of the engine, smash that subscribe button and let's embark on this thrilling journey. Oh, and one thing, if you have a nice suggestion, leave it in the comment. Let's kick things off with a bang. Under the hood of the BMW Z4 M40i Roadster lies a powerhouse, packing a punch with 340 horsepower from its six-cylinder engine. This convertible is a true symphony of performance. And that's not all. Brace yourselves for a jaw-dropping 500 Newton-meters of torque. This Roadster is engineered for pure driving pleasure. Shifting gears seamlessly, the Z4 M40i Roadster boasts an 8-speed transmission, providing the perfect harmony between power and precision. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through winding roads, those 8 gears ensure an exhilarating and responsive ride. Now, let's talk acceleration. The BMW Z4 M40i Roadster can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. Yes, you heard it right, 4.5 seconds. This convertible doesn't just offer top-down fun. It delivers an adrenaline-pumping acceleration that will leave you craving for more. Hold on tight as we explore the top end. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour, the Z4 M40i Roadster is not just about the wind in your hair. It's about conquering the road with style and speed. Feast your eyes on the exterior of this automotive masterpiece. The BMW Z4 M40i Roadster is a visual delight, with sleek lines and a design that screams athleticism. The convertible top adds a touch of elegance, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll find yourself in a cockpit of luxury. The interior of the Z4 M40i Roadster is a blend of sophistication and comfort. From the premium materials to the state-of-the-art infotainment system, every detail is designed to enhance the driving experience. And there you have it, the BMW Z4 M40i Roadster, a convertible that not only turns heads, but also delivers a driving experience like no other. If you enjoyed our journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for more thrilling automotive adventures. Until next time, keep the spirit of driving alive.